want to do with this dance combo is you want to begin in a wide stance. So now you can drag your foot out and get into the position to start this combo, or you can simply just jump out with your legs, okay? You get creative with however you want to get into that starting position. Starting position is wide leg stance, okay? So from here, what we want to do is we want to reach down in, grab with our hands, and we're going to pull all the way up nice and slowly, okay? As we do that, we are going to hip grind all the way up, yeah? So what we want to do is we want to go 1, 2, 3, 4, till we get to about here. We can make a nice strong ape-like position. Then from here we're going to step in, pull up and down and body roll, yeah? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, step back, hit a flex, 3, 4, yeah? Okay, reach in, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A few pieces of advice. Now, when you step together for that body roll, okay, what you want to do is you want to really hit that body roll as soon as you step, okay? So that is when you want to push your chest forward and up, yeah? So we're pulling, 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 pulling forward, okay? We want to hit that chest as we step. Boom, up, and then really let it roll down your spine until your hips can be pushed all the way forward like this, yeah? And one more piece of advice with this move is the hip grinding is basically a push out to the left, push out forward, push out to the other side, and then push back. And then you just connect those 4 dots, and then you just keep grinding your hips like that, yeah? Okay, now that you're professionals, let's practice with the music. Let's do this. Let's start with our wide stance, make it easy. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. And groove, and groove, and groove. Let's keep bouncing to the beat. Yeah? Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And groove. Just keep bouncing, keep stepping to the music, keep popping your knees. That's it. And 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey, groove. Feel the beat. Feel the music. And let's go. 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey, that's good, guys. That's good.